So if we look at all the stages, experiential learning are going to be absolutely arts integrated, sports integrated, storytelling based, and integrated. So it's going to be a very good blend. That's what I'm just trying to highlight here. It's going to be very, very blended, comprehensive, and a very in-depth coverage that is going to offer. In fact, what the whole purpose of this entire NEP is to ensure that all the participants are going to be 21st century ready, well-rounded, all groomed, holistic, and they have the understanding of all the major fields that includes arts, humanities, language, science, social science, professional, technical, vocational, so on, so forth. I mean, you name it, and it has a blend in our NEP. That's the beauty of this. And under NEP, model public universities for holistic and multidisciplinary education will also be set up. We are going to name it as Meru Multidisciplinary Education and Research Universities, which are going to be at par with IIT and IIMs of India. So it's going to be absolutely seamless. And if we look at this entire credit system that we have been hearing about, so ABC, an academic bank of credit shall be established, which would be digitally will be storing all the scores digitally of academic, which will be earned by the participants from various recognized HEI. HEI stands for Higher Education Institution, so that the degree from HEI can be awarded taking into account credit earned. So if I may tell you the biggest benefit of it, any undergrad degree of any participants, either of 3 or 4 years duration, would have multiple exit options within this period with appropriate certification. So for an example, a certificate after completing 1 year in a discipline or field, including vocational or professional areas. So they'll be awarded with multiple degrees with multiple exit options. So whenever they want to exit this degree, and they want to pursue some other course and they want to do something, they can always come back. So their earned credit will be deposited and stored in ABC, this academic bank of credit, and can always be considered in the later stage of their academic journey. Another beautiful part, if I may highlight, it's going to offer value-based education. And if I may tell you more at length, it's going to focus more on the development of humanistic, ethical, constitutional, and universal human values of truth, righteous conduct, peace, love, non-violence, scientific temper, citizen value, and so on, so forth. I mean, it's going to inculcate that level of human skill and morale, which was lacking so far. And it's going to going to build a character, in short. And that's where the beauty lies of NEP. And with all this input, this is where I would love to conclude my point. And that's a quick recap of what we had covered last time.